Hey folks, good afternoon. This is Corey, Mr. Hardwood. Hey, so this is Hardwood Flooring Woodstock, and we got custom installation with some custom refinishing. So this one's a bit tricky. Walk with me, check it out. So I've got a 20-year-old floor right here that we're gonna resand. I've got a little formal living room that we're gonna add on. We're gonna sand to this line right here. I'm gonna finger in my hardwoods. As you can see, I've got 3 1/4 and I've got some 2 1/4. They want 2 1/4 over here. We're gonna put 3 1/4 in that master bedroom. I'm gonna sand up to this line. I've got some special amberizer right there. We're gonna resand this little hallway just to make sure it's gonna match into this newer wood here. We're not touching the 3 1/4 red over there. And I've got my master bedroom here with Mr. Davis kicking out the other way. Not just a job, it's an adventure. So it's going pretty good. So y'all have a good day. And we'll be back out here tomorrow to inspect and check it out.